Sir, I'm sorry. You lost that privilege when Bato escaped.
Usapan natin sa labas. Okay na usapan natin. Okay na usapan natin sa labas. Hindi sa loob ng Senado. We will walk. We will go out. You cannot. No. Even during Cory's time, hindi ginawa to. Even during Cory's time, Salonga did not allow. We are ready. We're going to walk him out. You can arrest him right outside the gate. He is voluntary. Respect the institution. This is not about Pinoy. We're going out. No. Don't leave him. It's right here. He can be arrested right there. So if you don't want him to make a statement there, sir, just outside the gate, we're going to walk 5 minutes. This is the Senate of the Philippines. It's never been done. It's never been done. Salonga stood up for Enrile. That's ang kalaban si Cory. Ang kaso rebellion. Anong ginawa? They walked out. We're just asking you to walk out. But let's walk. Let's walk. You are asking here. This is the Senate. Sir, I'm asking you. Sir, this is the last person who got for me. No, I did not do that. That's not for me. That's for the Senate, sir. You're just for the Senate. Sir, for the country. Allow us. Sir, kumahay ka na allow us. Kumahay ka na right outside the right outside the Please decide something.
Ang sabi ko sa kanya, in a not very calm voice kasi umakit na, Sir, I'm sorry, you lost that privilege when Bato escaped. We will inform them, we will give them the courtesy, but if there's an arrest to be made, we will make the arrest.
So just for clarification, ang tamang term is you went there to arrest him, you served the warrant, so it means he was arrested, or did he surrender?
We arrested him. I went there personally together with the CIDG. He was read his Miranda rights, and from there he was brought here to Krami to be processed. As of 5 minutes ago, papunta na sila ng Sandigan.